Dear IMA class of 2017, congratulations! You've made it to the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. IIMA is a dream for many, but it is home to few. You'll be a part of an institution 50 years in the making and of a legacy that will stand the test of time. This is a place where ideas flourish. Captains of industry, artists, writers, leaders, economists have been nurtured by these red brick walls. This architectural marvel, designed by Louis Kahn, will inspire you to think, to push yourself, to spread your wings and fly.
You know what's the best part of the library? It's the feeling that generations of scholars have studied under the same roof, they've walked the same corridors, they've sat on the same benches. It's this very place that has given birth to these nation builders. Well, personally, for me, the library has been very important. It's at this place that I've prepared for all the quizzes, the class preparations, the assignments. This place that has given me that little peace of mind away from the hustle and bustle of the outside world.
You consider the diversity of your batch, you really learn to appreciate the advantages of getting a new perspective on things, looking at a problem in a different kind of way. There's also the courses, right? I mean, sure, you have your marketing, your finance, your strategy, your ops, that's nice. But you also have these really different kind of courses like public policy, community building, social entrepreneurship, running a VC fund, and these are taught by some of the best profs out there. There's a lot of focus on learning at IMA, and it happens not just in the classroom, but also outside.
Hi all, Pachas and Pachis. We would like to talk about dorm bonding here. So dorm bonding is a very special thing for IMA. So it's been hardly a year since we have stayed here, but it feels as if you know all your dorm mates since like forever.
Yeah, especially we are first timers and we know how it is to miss home and be away, right?
We don't know how it is for you.
We know now. Anyways, so I think there's a lot of things that keep happening in the dorm. You share a lot of secrets, then you gossip a lot. Instead of studying, you just go randomly talk on random topics and never get bored. Sometimes you're up all night doing this and not studying. So I think it kind of develops a different level of relationship altogether. You're always there for fellow dorm mates in need.
And considering you're staying in here throughout, I think it helps you develop that bond.
Yeah, and it's a very enriching experience also because you get to get to know a lot of diverse set of intelligent people, get different perspectives.
People from different states.
Yeah, and people from different
backgrounds,
of course. So I think on the whole, dorm bonding is very unique to IMA here, I would say, and it's one of the things that you should experience in your life.
Of course, you get a variety of good food at any time of the day, be it cheese Maggie at CT or bun maska, the legendary Rambai. But more than that, what makes this adda special is the bucket you have till 4 in the morning with different people every day and the content being limited only by our imagination. And even better, having conversation with your prof with over chai sutta is not an exception but rather the norm.
2017. The next 2 years at IMA are going to be the most rewarding years of your life. This place will offer you a plethora of opportunities, whether that's in academia, entrepreneurship or placements. I personally come from a startup plus law background and I'm making a switch to a career in finance. This place allows you the flexibility to make such shifts. Also, this place will come good on those choices no matter how unconventional they are.
I've always wanted to start my own company and I'm really glad that I found CIIA at Ahmedabad, which is helping me work on my startup during summer internships. They've been very helpful in providing us with mentors and a support of a stipend till I find my own feet. Also, there's a really helpful peer group which is going through the same journey.
So people are often going to tell you that life at a B school is all about focus and especially on the academic front. But at IMA you find the time and bandwidth to follow your own interests. Here at IMA we have a very vibrant sporting culture. Regardless of what you want to play, be it volleyball, throwballs, cricket, we have the infrastructure and the people to play with. In fact, at Sangharsh, the Inter-IIM tournament, we are currently the defending champions for the past 2 years.
So it's true about IMA.
We are the best!
I used to play squash in the national level when I was in school, but in my undergrad I had to give it up completely because there were no squash courts. So I was really surprised when I came here and I found this place to have a squash court. But a lot of people told me that PGP1 is very hectic and you won't get time to play and all that. But not only did I play very regularly, I also found so many other people to play with over here.
Coming to a place which has so many talented people around you is a
great opportunity and it has a lot of merits. So for me, I acted in a play for the first time after coming here, and I never thought I could act. It all becomes possible because this place gives you so many opportunities that you just want to go and grab it, and there are so many amazing people to work with. And you would see people doing all the new things that they never imagined they would do.
I love about IMA is how if there's any activity you really like, you'll always find people who share the same interests. Be it astronomy, gaming, debating, there'll always be people who share the same mind space. And there are so many number of clubs trying to find those people. If you're really passionate about something, the college gives you a remarkable number of opportunities to pursue.
All this, and we've barely scratched the surface. Now it's for you to discover as you begin your journey through this great institution. The next 2 years of your life are going to be unforgettable.